Hello friends, welcome to the Indian Polity multiple choice question series. In this particular video, we are going to discuss 10 multiple choice questions on the Advocate General of a state. This is an initiative of the Nimbus Academy. You can follow us on Facebook. You can join our Telegram group for latest updates, and you can also WhatsApp us on this number to get free notes and all other material. First question is, which article of the Constitution of India establishes the office of the Advocate General of a state? The options are A. Article 164, B. Article 165, C. Article 166, or D. Article 167. The correct option is B. Article 165. So Article 165 of the Constitution, that is under Part 6 of the Constitution, that deals with states, and under this part it is divided into three: executive, legislature and judiciary. So since Advocate General of a state is a part of the state executive, it falls under Article 165 of the Constitution. Second question, who appoints the Advocate General of a state? The options are A. the legislature in consultation with the Chief Minister, B. Prime Minister in consultation with the Union Council of Ministers, C. the President of India, or D. the Governor of a state. The correct answer is D. the Governor of a state. Now, as I told you, since the Advocate General of a state is a part of the state executive and Governor of a state is the head of the state executive, therefore all the executive appointments are made by the Governor under his hand and seal. Third question, which of the following is not an essential qualification for a person to be appointed as the Advocate General of a state? Options are A. he must have held a judicial office for 10 years, B. he must be a citizen of India, C. he must have been an advocate of a high court for 10 years, or D. he must be an eminent jurist in the opinion of the President. The correct answer is D. must be an eminent jurist in the opinion of the President. This qualification is valid as far as the appointment of a Supreme Court judge is concerned, or as far as the appointment of a Attorney General of India is concerned. But as far as Advocate General of a state is concerned, he or she must be eligible to be qualified to become a judge of a high court. And to become a judge of a high court, the first three qualifications are mandatory, but the fourth one is not. Fourth question, what is the tenure of the Advocate General of a state? Options are A. 2 years, B. 4 years, C. coterminous with the tenure of the state government, or D. none of the above. The correct answer is D. none of the above. And the reason for that is there is no prescribed tenure of the Advocate General of a state. It entirely depends on the governor of the state, and in effect, in reality, it depends upon the Chief Minister and State Council of Ministers. As long as they want the Advocate General to serve, they may allow him or her to do so. So there is no fixed term. Fifth question, which of the following is not a function of the Advocate General? Options are A. to appear on behalf of the government of the state in courts, B. to give advice to the government of a state on legal matters, C. to advise the President under Article 143 of the Constitution on matters of law and fact, or D. to discharge the functions conferred on him by the Constitution or any other law. The correct answer is C. to advise the President under Article 143 of the Constitution on matters of law and fact. This is not a function attributed to the Advocate General. This is a function of the Supreme Court of India, under which the President can ask or seek the advice of the Supreme Court under Article 143. Sixth question, what is the remuneration of the Advocate General of a state? Options are A. rupees 2 lakh per month, B. rupees 3 lakh per month, C. rupees 5 lakh per month, or D. none of the above. The correct answer is D, none of the above. The reality is that the salary of the Advocate General is generally not fixed. It varies. There is nothing specified in the constitution, and also it varies from state to state. It may be possible that Punjab is giving 1 lakh rupees to the Advocate General, whereas Haryana is giving 2 lakhs and Himachal is giving 3 lakh rupees per month. So it is not fixed. It depends on the state government, and it is not specified in the constitution. Seventh question, which of the following rights is not enjoyed by the Advocate General vis-a-vis the state legislature? Means which are the things that the Advocate General is allowed to do in the state legislature and which of the things are not allowed. Options are A, right to take part in the proceedings, B, right to speak in the House, C, right to attend the proceedings of a House committee, or D, right to vote in the House. Since the question is asking the provision which is not enjoyed by the Advocate General, the answer is right to vote. So, Advocate General can take part in the proceedings of the House, can speak in the House, can attend the proceedings of even the committees of the House, but he does not have the right to vote because he or she is not a member of the House, neither an MLA nor an MLC. He or she is neither a member of Legislative Assembly nor a member of Legislative Council, and only the MLAs and MLCs have the right to vote in their respective houses. No other person can have such right to vote. Eighth question, choose the correct statement. The options are A, Advocate General is a full-time counsel for the government, B, Advocate General falls in the category of a government servant, C, Advocate General is debarred from private legal practice, or D, none of the above. The correct answer is D, none of the above. So all the statements are incorrect. Advocate General is not a full-time counsel for the government. Advocate General does not fall under the category of a government servant, and Advocate General is not debarred from private legal practice. Which of the following is a constitutional office? The options are A, Attorney General of India, B, Advocate General of a state, C, both A and B, or D, none of the above. The correct answer is C, both A and B. Both these are constitutional offices, whereas the Attorney General of India works for the central government, the Advocate General works for the state government, and both these are the constitutional offices because the office of Attorney General of India is mentioned under Part 5 of the Constitution, whereas that of Advocate General is mentioned under Part 6 of the Constitution. Last question, which of the following is not a legal limitation placed on the Advocate General of a state? The options are A, he cannot defend accused persons in criminal prosecutions without government's permission, B, he should not advise or hold a brief against the government, C, he should not accept appointment as a director in any company without the permission of the government, or D, he cannot continue private legal practice while holding the office of the Advocate General. The correct answer is D. So this is an incorrect statement. He can continue private legal practice while holding the office of the Advocate General. So this is all about the Advocate General of a state. I hope you liked the videos, and be sure to comment your scores in the comment section. Thank you for watching.